Welcome to the IGCSE November 23, paper 2, question 19, a walk through. What you should have done to get the most of this, you should have attempted the question already, and now you should be looking at how I do it, then we're going to do a model one, and then you're going back to the worksheet. Right, so I'll just look at part A or part B first. State why x cannot be included in the domain of G. So this must be when the bottom of the fraction is 0, so I'm just going to write 2x minus 9 equals 0. So 2x equals 9, x equals 9 over 2, which is 4.5. Well, that was one mark. Now, straightforward. Next bit, find the value of f of g of 4. So first of all, I'm going to substitute 4 into that. I'm going to write that down. Make my calculator, don't put the extra bracket on. Make my calculator look like that, and that will give me minus 5. So I'm now going to put minus 5 into my f function. So that's 5 times minus 5 plus 7. Make my calculator look like that. And it's minus 18. Right, it's quite straightforward, those bits. Next bit below is slightly harder. Right, so I've got to express the inverse function. I'm just going to write that down, and then I'm just going to move it up. So I've got 3x squared minus 12x plus 8, and that's because I'm going to work out the inverse. I'm going to say that's equal to y. Now I'm just going to make this slightly higher up. Right, again, I'm going to take, first of all, I'm going to do is take the 3 out. So I've got x squared minus 4 plus 8. Just check my question, I've copied that down right, yeah. If minus 4x, so that gives me 3, completing the square, x minus 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So I need to take 4 off that. Plus 8. Expand my bracket. So I've got 3 times x minus 2 squared. Take 12 plus 8. Gives me 3 times x minus 2 squared minus 4. And that equals y. So y plus 4 equals 3 lots of x minus 2 squared. Y plus 4 divided by 3 must x minus 2 squared. Square root it. Equals x minus 2. Add the 2. Equals x. Right. Now I've got to write that in the function, the form of the function, which I think I have forgotten in one of my earlier clips. H to the minus 1 of x is 2 plus the square root of x plus 2, x plus 4 over 3. Right, now, you do question. Right, what do you have to do for part A? That's correct. Part A, x plus 5 equals 0, so x equals minus 5. Straightforward. The next bit, you need to substitute the 3 in. So 8 divided by 3 plus 5, because that's g of 3. Well, that equals 1. Now you're going to work out f of 1, which is 4 times 1 minus 3, which gives me 1 as well. Right, done. Moving on to the question below. Right, didn't need to talk you through that one because I think if you're on this clip, you should just be able to do that one. Right. What is the first stage I need to do if I'm finding the inverse function? That's right. Y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 1. Because I'm trying to make x the subject and I've got 2 of them, what do I need to do? I'm going to complete the square, but before I do that, I'm going to expand it out. Sorry, take the 2 out. Now I'm going to complete the square. Well, you complete the square first. Hopefully you've written that. Expand my brackets. Rearrange it. Square root of that equals x minus 2. So 2 plus the square root of y equals x. We now need to write it in the format the question asked us to. H to the minus 1 of x equals 2 plus the square root, sorry, my square root sign wasn't long enough there, over x plus 7 over 2. Brilliant, thank you, well done.